With summer coming to a close and people going back to school, my friends and I felt like time had gone by too fast. I'd spent hours indoors working at my desk and regretted not going outside and doing more. That's when I realized it wasn't too late. You remember what a summer bucket list is? You know, that checklist you made as a kid full of typical things to do in the summer, like lounge by the pool, eat ice cream, and watch fireworks? The idea is to complete the entire list by the end of summer, but with summer coming to an end, I thought, why not experience as much as I can by trying to complete the entire list in one day? So I came up with a challenge, grabbed some friends, and split into 2 teams of 3. Each team was given a summer bucket list with 45 tasks to complete. Some things were worth 1 point, like fly a kite or roast marshmallows. Other things were worth more points, such as make cash as a street performer, get the most responses on an Instagram story, or even get a tattoo. At the end of the day, we'd meet up, tally the points, and see who won.
Yeah, last night our team was smart and we took the other team out and we got way too drunk, so now they're all hungover. And we already have the edge on this competition, so.
I don't know, I'm feeling pretty good, man, so.
You don't have to fake it, dude.
So there's 45 things. Some of them are 1-pointers that are just simple things that you check off when you complete them. Some of them are like competitive things, like most leapfrogs in 60 seconds. So 2 people on your team are gonna try to leapfrog as many times as they can in 60 seconds, and then at the end of the day, we're gonna compare and see who got more leapfrogs in those 60 seconds, and they're the ones that get that point. I was thinking that we separate now. We could meet up around like 3 o'clock, plan on being in Santa Cruz to meet up for like beach bonfire at the end of the day to review everything before sunset. All right, now let's introduce the teams. On the blue team, we had Brendan Delaney, Andrew Levitt, and Stephanie Moser. And on the red team, we had David Clark, Jacob Phillips, and Katie Mack.
Fight!
Alrighty,
Ready?
3, 6, go. Go!
Got us some on the phone. Let's just honestly sit here for a second.
Okay, straight to the Campbell's Farmers Market.
I'm in. Oh, look at these guys. Losers!
Catch you later!
Have fun losing! Losers!
All right, so for our first one, we're going to the Campbell Farmers Market. It closes here in a couple minutes. We visited a farmer's market.
All right, we're leaving Brendan's house right now. We got water balloons, we got a kite, and we got an inflatable.
Here we go. Play frisbee golf, have a water balloon fight, have a picnic, and fly a kite all at the park right now.
All right, hole 1 is that first basketball hoop.
What's the team motto, Brendan? What's our team motto? It's hustle. All we do today is hustle.
Let's go make somebody's day.
All right, here we are at the bookstore. I'm gonna read my boys some books.
Brendan, stop! Brendan, stop! It's Tangles!
Let's get your best roar.
Yes! 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 It's working! Whose idea was fly a kite?
Just tried to fly a kite and it didn't work. This is what summer is all about.
Morale is very low right now. I'm trying to wake up.
All right, we found a farmer's market.
Alright, let's make some money.
This might be a while. Attempt number 1 was a massive failure, but we're gonna try again.
30 AD, that's Andrew's size, right?
All right, time to dye Jake's hair.
Holy shit! So nervous, dude. All I'm thinking about is I'm gonna turn the camera on me and I'm gonna freak out. We gotta start with this. Okay, that's a big book though.
Yeah, but it's a good book.
All right, go.
Oh, the places you'll go. I was thinking for number 8, we'd read Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows.
I hate this.
Really, I'm loving this.
Backflip for style points.
This guy said hi to us when we walked in. He was being super nice. Do you want a cookie?
I really appreciate it. Later. Of course. Right there. Oh my gosh. What? Come on over, have a good time. What are you so sketchy about? Oh, why don't you come over here? Sure, that's what you want? How about we meet halfway? Yeah?
So what do you guys think of my new look?
Dude, you got a
Oh my god! Oh no! No way!
Oh my god, dude.
I feel like this isn't really a competition against each other as much as a competition against ourselves.
Alright, David, what's going on?
Oh, we're here to just present Andrew with his outfit.
Oh god.
Don't mind this.
Oh my god.
Andrew, picking out this outfit took us like an hour in Target, so I hope you like it.
I'm so nervous right now.
Let's go to Target. We went to several. Why me? You see your bottoms?
I knew it.
Oh, they light up, by the way, so you might want to save the battery till tonight. If you want, you can put on these underneath. Has a little bit of festivities. And here's your top.
Wait, can we light him up? You guys look insane.
Okay, so just an update. We just met up with everybody, and now we're on our way to Santa Cruz. Now that the door's wide open, who knows? Maybe we'll get a tattoo.
There was no sweat on my rap last time that I checked. I was selling songs in the city. From the streets, voice out west. Let's
Update. We're all falling asleep and losing steam. Because we barely slept all weekend long.
I'm exhausted.
pump up the action. I'm active.
I don't want to go in there, man. I don't want to go in there.
If he never heard of Ben Dope, he just napping. Jackson's off the rapping. Keep it on my body, bitch. I'm broke if you ask it.
You don't want? No, you get it. You get it. I got in here immediately. I get getting anxiety. Why don't you think about yourself?
Don't throw it on me.
Yes, you were the one who said you were gonna do it in the first place.
I'm not gonna get like a full tattoo if I'm not.
I'll get the 7 though. Somewhere you want it.
Where? What's going on?
Alright, so the decision we made. I just got so nervous. I'm freaking out internally right now.
Are you gonna get benched?
Yeah, I guess.
I'm gonna throw up.
Heads, Andrew. Tails, Brendan.
Are we going to?
I'm not looking. I'm not looking.
No, are we doing this? Andrew, you need to tell me.
Yeah, do it.
I'm not looking. That's you, right? Yes. Oh, I don't want to do this. Oh my god. You don't have to do it.
Brendan.
Like that. You don't have to do it. You understand that, right? We decided no tattoo. It was stressful.
Made it to the boardwalk, ride the giant dipper, and then dip right out. Right, David?
There's a lot of people here, but if we lose Jake, he looks like a lollipop, so.
We can just
fine, no problem.
Spike. Okay, I'm scared. Okay, I'm holding it. Woo! Oh god.
Time to go swimming.
There's little Andy trying to get back to shore.
Oh God!
Go, 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 go! Keep going, keep going.
Alright, save it. Bye. Let's go. Okay guys, so update. We just saw them drive by. We're about to leave the boardwalk, but we want to be able to hang out with them and get our last couple things done together. So we're running to chase their car and see if we can't cut them off.
We're now Team L because we're trying to do our street performance.
The other team's probably tattooed up and living the good life.
We just want to do our street performance, but we don't have change to pay for this. Does this count as our street performance?
For our parking.
And they don't take debit card.
So we need quarters.
Who still has change? I don't know. Can someone give us money to pay?
We need quarters. Anyone have quarters?
No, people are avoiding us.
Oh my god, what is that music?
Oh my god!
All we need is quarters for
Yeah, we figured since we were just so far ahead, we should give you guys a random act of kindness.
Here's our charity.
We got you all outfits.
Yes!
Okay, you guys ready?
3, 2, 1, go. Oh, yes, dude. You know,
With it all together, it kind of looks normal. Like at this part, you're.
I gotta say, I did not expect the day to end like this.
No.
Oh god! Oh god! Oh my god!
With only 30 minutes left in the challenge, we decided to go together to a nearby beach to knock off some last things on our summer bucket list and tally up the points. The final score, blue team 26 points, red team 32 points.
Good job, guys.
You gotta pull my.
We gotta have a round of applause for our boy Jake.
Jake is the MVP.
Thanks, guys.
I think it's important to point out that while the challenge was technically a competition, the real purpose of the day was to relive that summer fun you experienced as a child. This summer, we had all been so caught up in our jobs that we had barely taken time to go outside and enjoy life's simple pleasures. In the end, it wasn't about who won, or even about how many views this video gets. It was simply about being with friends and learning how to be a kid again. One last thing, guys, before I show you the bloopers from the day. If you want to see the entire bucket list of challenges, or maybe try out the challenges with your own friends, I've attached a PDF of the list for you to look at in the video's description. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and also you should definitely check out Brandon and Katie's channels. I've linked them in the description below. Okay, now on to the bloopers.
What's my mom gonna say? Mom, if you're watching this, YouTube's crazy.
What did you tell me? This is so much scarier now that you have pink hair. Okay. Oh my god. You're a drinker.
Okay, how about this though?
Do you see what I'm saying?
Flaming bald eagle across your entire back.
That's it. Alright, where is she?
Let's dude, right there, bald eagle. We just add a little bit of fire. And I'm thinking your entire back. Oh, no. Let's get Jesus. Come on, dude, just a Jesus tat. A little Jesus tat.
What do you think of my new look? Do I look good?
If you're asking me, you look great.
Looking real good, dude.
I don't know, dude. I'm just kind of feeling a little blue. No, stop. It wouldn't even be funny.
It wouldn't even be funny.
5, 4, 3. Or 10 points each? Is this potential for 30 points?
The issue is there's only 45 things on this list. I don't want everyone to just get tattoos and be like, all right, the day's over, we won. Like, we only have to do 5 more things on the list.
That's what's gonna happen. And it's gonna be awesome.
Dude, do they have to be matching?
Yes, if you guys did it.
But what if Brendan and I break up? I can't be linked to that forever.